Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to show you how to make a delightful mushroom soup. This dish is not only easy to prepare but also brings the subtle and comforting flavors of Japan straight to your table. Let's dive into the ingredients and steps to create this savory delight. First, prepare the mushrooms. If you are using dried shiitake mushroom, start by rehydrating them in water. If you have a fresh shiitake, simply slice them thinly. Next, let's prepare the shimeji mushrooms. Remove the base and gently tear them apart with your hand. We'll only need a third of shimeji for this recipe, so feel free to freeze the rest in the Ziploc bag. Freezing the mushroom is a great tip for preserving their freshness. In a pot, bring the water and white soy sauce to a boil. Once boiling, add the mushrooms and let them cook through. After the mushrooms are cooked, add soy sauce and pinch of salt to taste. Finally, garnish with some chopped green onions, and there you have it. A beautifully simple mushroom soup. The gentle flavors and the aroma of the mushroom makes this soup incredibly delicious. It pairs wonderfully with fish dishes too. Let's look over what we used today. Thank you for joining us in today's cooking adventure. We hope you enjoy making and savoring this mushroom soup as much as we do. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tasty Japanese recipes. If you have any requests or suggestions, we'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Until next time, happy cooking! Bye bye!